Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok sounds add to favorites not showing. So here, if you know in TikTok, you can add favorite songs, the songs that you like to your favorite songs lists. And this is what you are going to do when you want to do that. Here you can just find any videos that you want that contain the song, or you can also search for it directly. Then you can click on the songs page and there will be this option, add to favorites. But then how about these buttons not showing on your TikTok? So what if this add to favorite buttons is not there? So here I'm going to show you how you can solve that. First, you can close the TikTok app first, and then you can head to the settings on your phone and then find TikTok apps in the app setting list. So click on apps and then here open the TikTok's apps info, this one. And after it's open, now you can just go to the storage and cache and then try to clear the cache. You can go back and then here you can click on permissions, and here you need to make sure that you allow this music and audio permissions, and also you can just go back again, and now you can go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Then click on a search and find TikTok on the Play Store. And you need to make sure that your TikTok apps is already on the latest version. If the Google Play says update, that means you are not on the latest version and you need to update the TikTok apps now. So here I'm already on the latest version, as you guys can see. And after that you can try to reboot your phone and relaunch TikTok again. But if it's the problem is still not fixed, you can open the TikTok app again and then head to your profiles. Now click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and then go to the settings and privacy. Here you can scroll down until you find this report a problem option. Then you can scroll down again and here you can see this option, chat with us. You can click on that, and here this is the TikTok help desk, so you can just send them a message about the problem that you are facing. For example, hey, I got problem on my TikTok, the add to favorites sound button is not there. Can you help me fix it? You can try to send them like this, and then you can just click on send and just wait for their response, and hopefully they will help you to solve the problem. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.